Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to install the WordPress Avada theme. So this is the first one that talks about the Avada theme. As you know, Avada is the theme that we would be focusing on for our professional website development, and I am logged on to my ThemeForest account. It's a premium theme and I've paid for it, so I'm gonna download that theme from my ThemeForest account. And in this video I will go over how to install a WordPress theme and install the Avada theme, and also set it up properly, like how and where you should enter your keys and stuff. So I will just download the theme here and click on the installable WordPress file only, and I will just put that on my desktop. So on my desktop, ThemeForest E2NU, okay, whatever the name. Quick pause. I hope you're enjoying my videos about professional web design using the Avada theme. Actually, these videos are a part of a very detailed video course that I created for Udemy. So if you would like to explore these topics in more detail and ask questions, check out my course on Udemy. The link with the discount coupon is in the description of the video. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do that because a lot more content is coming your way. Let's get back to the video. So it has downloaded over there. Now I should be able to go in my WordPress blog and upload it. So that is what I will do. I will go to my WordPress blog, go to Appearance, Themes, and Add New. So I will just click on here, or you can also click there. So we will go to Add New, and here we want to upload a theme. We don't want to select from any of the existing themes, and we can upload a theme here, choose file, and we should be able to find that from our desktop right there. So I will open that and click on the Install Now button. Okay, looks like the theme has installed. We can live preview it and activate it, and returns to the theme page. I will just go ahead and activate it. Okay, so once you install the Avada theme, you also want to install the two core plugins that it depends on, the Fusion Core and the Fusion Builder. So you start seeing a message or notice right there, and below it you also see that you need to register your purchase. So what we'll do is register my purchase, and to register my purchase I'll click on this link, and I need to use my Avada token to support this. And to generate a token, the instructions are right there to, so you can click on this generate a token button. Okay, and it's very important to read these instructions because they tell you exactly which permissions you want. Enter a name for a token, which I did. Then check the boxes for view your Envato account username. So I will go back there and view the Envato account's username. And the next one is download your purchased items. So I will click on download the user purchased items, and then the purchases list purchases you have made. So I also want to select the list purchases the user has made, and you can see that there is a slight difference in the verbiage right here and in the registration box. So check the box to and verify purchases you have made. So I will also click on verify purchases of the user's item, verify purchases of the app creator, verify purchases the user has made. Okay, and I will click on that and create token. Okay, so looks like my token created, and I will just copy that. And okay, now I can just go in here and paste that and submit it, and it should be able to register, and you can see the green checkbox indicating that my registration is successful, and now I can install all the premium plugins that come bundled in with the theme. So if I go to plugins tab right here, what you will notice is there are a bunch of plugins. So even without the license, I could install Fusion Core, Fusion Builder, but a lot of different things or plugins that are bundled in with this premium plugins like Slider Revolution, Layer Slider, I would not be able to install if I didn't register the theme. Also, very important about registration is you want one-click updates. So whenever Avada theme installs, you want to be able to update the theme. Whenever any bundle in plugin gets updated, you want to install that with the click of a button. So you should be able to do that when you are registration enabled and everything is registered properly. Like you can see how easy it is. I can just click on these plugins and my plugins get installed. So those were the two that I really wanted, and then we'll go over the rest of the stuff later as we develop. So also important to check if there are new patches available. So Fusion Patcher is where we want to apply the patches, and we always apply the patches in sequence. So the first one gets installed first, the second one, the third one, and right now there are 4 patches on this version. So that should be that. And at the top you see this information, which is essential. Also, if you have to support, or if you have to contact support for any kind of information on what your PHP version is, what your Avada version is, what your WordPress version is. So all that information is needed by support if you need to reach out to them. So now that my theme is installed, if I go and take a look at it, I'll close the links that I don't need. So right now, that is the default installation of Avada on my hosting account. As you can see, it's not much going on there at all. So in my next video, I will go over the Avada theme, what kind of things it supports, and we'll start building. So thanks so much for watching. If you have a question, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section and I'll be happy to get back with you.